Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Switching vehicles on Uber Eats? No sweat, here's how to update it in just a few taps. For this, first open the Uber Eats app. Then tap the menu icon, those three little lines in the top left corner. Open. Next go to Account, then Vehicles and tap Add a Vehicle. Fill out all the required info for your new ride, make, model, license plate, all the good stuff. You will also need to update a few documents like your insurance or vehicle registration. Make sure everything's clear and easy to read. Blurry pics slow things down. Once Uber reviews and approves your documents, they will send you a push notification to confirm that your new vehicle is good to go. And that's it. New wheels, same hustle. Now you are ready to hit the road with your updated vehicles on Uber Eats. If you want more tips like this, subscribe our channel.